Hey, Cyrus here. I'm going to do a quick demo on how to do the pool maintenance. This is the pool sweep. It's a key component of the system here. And if it's turned green, does that mean you're not doing this often enough? But you just pop this guy open up all of the switches. I open it like that, and then I switch them back to closed to hold the other part of it closed. Then I grab the hose. Let's do a little rinsey rinse here. You can see all that. Any dirt, if it's windy, it'll be extra dirty in the pool. But if you just change this thing 5 or 10 times a week, then your pool will be sparkling clean. Okay, so that's basically it. Button it back up. Maybe. Button it back up, he says. There we go. Slide this back in. Seal it up. And gently toss it back in the pool. Sometimes it says it's on a timer, but it seems like it's not. So then a lot of times what I'll do is I'll just press this button to turn it off for a second, wait for 5 seconds, turn it back on. Now you've done the maintenance on the sweep, and you should see the little guy start to move. Okay, so that's step one of pool maintenance. All right, so now we're gonna do a little maintenance on the main filter. Pop off this peeper, and then this thing's kind of hard to pop off, so what I do is I turn on the main pump for a second, which pops off the lid. Here's the filter. So this comes out, and here is the diatomaceous earth filter. So I just grab this guy, bring it over here. Little rinsey rinse. Get any debris and the old diatomaceous earth out of the filter. This takes quite a bit of rinsing. Might take 5 minutes. But, once it starts to run, less green, all that good enough. And come back over here. Put the filter housing in. Make sure this little vent lines up with the front. There's actually a little vent in the bottom that connects this thing. So it sits in there. Then carefully lower this on top. It'll rest on top of the filter housing there. Take the lid. Make sure the lid is well seated. See this gap kind of close up there all the way around. Then take the keeper ring, thread it on till it snaps, and then the keeps go here or here. Either way is fine. Then we can turn it on. Press the on button or the 1 button. And that'll go through a normal cycle. Of course, it's on a timer, so every day it'll go on and run some filter time, but you can override it by turning it on there. And now I'll demonstrate the diatomaceous earth. Alright, so after we got the pump on, after rinsing it out, we just put in our 2 scoops diatomaceous earth. You can see it's getting sucked in. You want to pour it right into this intake. And this goes in and coats the filter housing with this diatomaceous earth powder, which gives the filter more lifetime. You know, you can go a couple of weeks or maybe even more between diatomaceous earth changes. So that's it. Filter change done. Okay, so now we're going to turn on the hot tub for the hot tub operation. Right now, the normal operation is the return is going to the pool and the from is coming from both. So we're sucking out of the spa and the pool, and we're returning to the pool. So now if we want to turn it to the hot tub, flip this around and close off the pool. So now just the spa is operating. And then we can, yeah, so the spa is open and the pool is closed. So then we can reach over here and press the on button, and this is the same button that you want to press. It's the start stop button, and this will make it run for a couple of hours or maybe an hour for the operating the spa. So once it's on and running, you can turn the spa temperature heater to be on and you'll hear it start. And that's it. Now I can operate my spa. It'll take about 45 minutes to start up.
To get hot.
To get hot, yeah. It takes us a few seconds to start the heater. So now if you go and look, you'll see that the pool is quiescent. If you leave it in this state, the pool will turn green really quick because the pool isn't being filtered right now. Only the spa is being filtered. If you want to drain the spa, there's a few, what? Yeah. Let's turn it back off. We'll discuss this a little bit more, because if you want to drain the spa completely for maintenance, or you have some debris or something in the spa, you can have it switch it back this way to the return to the pool, and then suck from the pool, but don't return to the spa. And so now I'm draining out of the spa and I'm only returning to the pool, which will empty the spa completely. So if you want to do that, you can do that. Of course, you can't empty the pool this way. Okay, so that's the valve setting for spa operation and maintenance mode. But the normal mode should be like this when both are open and the return is to the pool.
And the heater.
And the heater should be off. Otherwise, you're gonna have a big gas bill if you try to heat the pool. It won't heat the pool.